Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Well, today was FOMC day, and often we anticipate fireworks from the rate decision, but today was an exception. I mean, just no real movement at all, no fireworks like you often anticipate, either from the rate decision, the minutes from the meetings, or the press conference from, in this particular case, Jerome Powell. And you can see, like, even in bonds, because bonds, of course, are the most sensitive to rate decisions. But right there was when the release was, and you can see bonds, they pushed up and then went right back down to where they started, and then just chopped sideways the entire rest of the day. The ES, the rate decision, was released right there. Little push up, and we actually did set up a 30-minute reversal doji here that triggered to the downside, and we actually caught a couple of nice short trades to the downside off of that. But then you can see we ultimately ended up finishing right about where we started. And Powell, he didn't really say anything too unexpected. Said that the economy is still struggling but trying to rebound, and that the Fed is doing everything that they can and will use all the tools they have available to them to continue to help things. And he did make several comments basically referring to Congress needs to get their act together and get fiscal stimulus passed, because he did mention on several different occasions that fiscal policy was going to be needed and fiscal policy assistance was going to be needed to get the economy heading in the right direction and keeping it on track. But even that wasn't really unanticipated. We pretty much were planning on him saying the same things. Things are tough. COVID is still a problem. Unemployment is not where they would like it to be. The economy is trying to recover and needs stimulus to continue to do so. So all in all, not a whole lot said. Like I said, we did squeeze off a couple of short trades. Right there was when the rate decision came out, and chopped around a little bit, and then we actually broke to the downside, set up a slow line zero touch off the 50 SMA, and nice push down on it, able to grab $400 per contract off of that, pull back up, set up a wick off the 34 for another couple $100, and then just kind of chopped from there. Last minute push right there at the end of the day at the bell, but actually that was just slightly after the bell, but it's mostly chopped sideways. So, again, all in all, FOMC rate decision was a non-event.